today's video, I'm going to show you how to create smart tables in Google Sheets using Gemini. So creating smart tables is a quick and easy way to organize information without doing everything manually. So these smart tables are AI or Gemini generated tables that already come with organized columns, clean formatting, and sample data. They help you set up your sheet fast, whether you're planning projects, tracking tasks, or managing business information. So when you see the one that you want to use in one of these featured tables, you can simply click on Insert right here at the right side, and it will automatically be inserted onto your table. But if you want to create your own smart table, here is how you're going to do it. So we're going to close this off and go to the Gemini tool right here, which will open our Gemini panel on the right side. So here we are going to put in our prompt. So all you have to do would be to specify what you want, what type of table, and maybe some specification or inclusions on what type of columns you want included in this prompt. So let me just enter mine. Here we have it. So I want it to create a table for an apparel company to plan product launches and ads. So we want to include columns for the product name, the launch date, the target audience, the budget, the message, and some notes. So when we press enter, Gemini will now build our table automatically. Now we can see the same clean headers, organized rows, and sample data that we can edit anytime to make our own. So if you're satisfied with the table that Gemini has generated for you, you can now simply insert it by clicking on the insert button right here, or you can also go back to this one and just click on insert. And there we have it. Now we can make this our own by changing the colors, edit the columns, add formulas, or remove sample rows. If you want a different structure, just ask Gemini again and it will revise the table for you. So this smart table can help you plan product launches, track marketing campaigns, manage inventory, basically anything you need to organize. So with that simple prompt, we were able to build this smart table with the help of Gemini right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.